What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video and we get to unbox another Madam Glam moment. Oh my goodness, sorry guys, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what we got for today. All right, so we're gonna be unboxing day number, is today number, this is number 11, number 10, number 12. Today is number 12. Right, today is the 12th. You guys, I never keep up with the dates. Hold on. Okay, yes, today is the 12th. I just had to make sure because you know me, I be all over the place. Okay, I'm going to try to open it a different way this time than yesterday because it was so complicated. Okay, are you guys ready? What do you think it is? What do we think this is? We haven't opened a box this size yet. That was the one thing I was really excited about this one, because we haven't opened a box this size. So let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, it's a mini. It's a mini. Oh my gosh. Okay, Nordic Bliss. I'm just so excited that it's a mini and it's literally the perfect green. Let me zoom in, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is, oh my gosh, you guys, I wish I had more than one of these. Oh, I'm gonna have to buy some, like a few of these and give them away. This is beautiful. This color is perfect. Like literally, I think Nordic is like, I think that might mean like off the maps, like off the grid. Oh no, that's nomadic. Let me see what this means. Hold on. Hey Siri. No, I'm not gonna tell Hey Siri, but usually I'll be like, Hey Siri. Okay. Define Nordic. Let's see what it means. Relating to Scandinavia, Finland, Iceland, and the Faroe Islands. So this must be part of, I wonder what collection this is part of. I think it might be part of, could it possibly be part of the Winter Wonderland collection? I mean, the Snowy Layover collection? I don't know why I keep calling it a Winter Wonderland. I am terrible. But this is so beautiful. This is literally, okay, this one and number 3, which was that gel polish, the translucent nude, those two so far are my favorite. Aside from that, the foil gel, definitely a top favorite. As you guys know, I loved day 4. That was the nail lamp. And yeah, so that was number 12. Now we got number 13. Where's 13? Oh, right here, down here. It's all the way down here under number 11. Okay, and then number 14, which I'm really excited about. 14. You guys, I can't wait. I should stay up past midnight so that I can open 13 because I'm so excited. I really want to get to 14. So that was day 12 of the Madam Glam Advent 2022 limited edition. How did you guys like that? I truly loved it. That green was perfect. It's just so beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to using that. I'm excited to open the next like long box, assuming that it's some sort of nail brush or nail tool. I'm really excited for that, but gotta wait, can't rush, gotta be patient. And before we notice, you guys, it's gonna be Christmas, which, by the way, sorry that this video is a bit late today. I had all of the best intentions to get it posted early and filmed early. I'm filming and posting in real time. It's literally 11 o'clock p.m. Central. However, yeah, I had all of the intentions in the world, but I'm like, I have to clean everything first. If I see like pet hair or nail dust or anything anywhere, I just have to clean it up. So this morning I was cleaning and then I had to work and we had to do homeschooling. And then my boyfriend decided that he was going to prepare homemade tortillas. And that was super random. And so my perfectly clean kitchen was turned upside down, which is typical. They always do that. And yeah, so I just got to sit down and relax. Tomorrow I'm going to be taking these nails and shaving them down. I really want stiletto nails, and I was thinking about doing a nail set using Rosalind, but I couldn't decide if I wanted to. Well, I think I'm definitely going to create more than one set, so let's start there. But okay, I remember this was so old. This is supposed to be for some Halloween nails that I was supposed to do that I never did because I be jet lagged, y'all. Like, I truly just am on my own timetable. Long nails don't care, okay? Shoot. But anyways, I'm always on my own timetable, and it's always so delayed as opposed to real life, which is very unfortunate. I feel so bad for myself. Can anyone relate? If you can, drop a comment down below and let me know. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button. So I'm trying to see what kind of tips I have here. I think this one goes with those. I'm not 100% sure, but we got these ones over here, but that's only 4 nails. Where's the 5th one? All right, so I'm missing some tips clearly. And then I don't really like the stiletto ones because the coffin ones, because they're not that long, and I like long nails. So I'm probably just gonna throw all of those back into I think I used these for sweater nails. They turned out really cute. I probably could use them to create more sweater nails, but I want to create some stilettos using the Rosalind gel polish that we unboxed recently. Not too recently, but quite recently. And then I'm probably gonna decide something with these. And then I have all of these, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I got a full set of those. So I might create a look with these soon. But I thought I had enough of these, and I'm missing one. I can probably pull it from here. If it is here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It probably is there. One of them. But yeah, so I'm not going to use those yet. I am going to be taking this off though, and then I'm going to be creating a set with this acrylic kit, which is going to be super awesome. I'm excited about it. The containers are substantially smaller. You get 0.35 fluid ounce, 0.35 ounces there, and here you get 1 whole ounce. So that was, like kind of like a little bit of a bummer because this is the clear, right? I think, oh no, this is the white. So that's how much of the white that I used on just one set. I think that's the white. Let me check. Yes, that is the white. And I barely used the white, you guys. Like, I didn't use it a lot. And then this was the clear. So as you can see, the product does go rather quickly. When you're creating a full set, especially if you want long nails. So already I'm going to tell you guys that this is not really ideal if you like long nails. It's more ideal to have a bigger size, but if you like just regular short manis, or if you just really want to get one set, because like these are really created to create one set. Like, they're just to create a set and to move on with your life. It's not really meant for you to use over and over and over again. That's why it's just a quick nail kit. But oh yeah, and I remember this the low odor. Well, we'll unbox this. I'm gonna slow down, y'all. We'll unbox that. But I want to smell that monomer again because I think that it was rather low odor, which I really did enjoy that. But anyway, so I also am so excited. So I have been trying not to work as much because I realized that it's December and you're not supposed to work as much. You're supposed to celebrate with your family and all that stuff. So I've been trying not to work as much, but I have been updating my blog here and there, like behind the scenes, creating stuff and putting stuff together and meditating on everything. And I'm really excited. I'm going to be creating a master post. So if you are registered for the free membership, the Elite Goddess Gang or the Illustrious Goddess Gang, then you will be able to have access to the master post, which will be where I will post all of the blogs that we're going to be commenting on and interacting on. And I'm going to be basically introducing like a new aspect. So we're going to have more interactive posts, which is going to be fun. And I'm going to be able to post more often, which is going to be really good because we all want to just interact and engage and have a positive space where we can all come. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to. But other than that, I know that I'm so behind, so I'm about to go edit and I'm about to be like on top of everything. Tomorrow I'm not going to be working as much as I have the last couple of days, so I'm really looking forward to like being able to be here and focus on YouTube. And if you guys haven't seen my recent videos, then just go ahead and flip through. I have been uploading pretty much every single day as much as I can. And so I really appreciate all you guys who continue to come and watch my videos. If you haven't already, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed but you would like to be notified every time I upload, then go ahead and subscribe. Smash that notification bell. Gang, 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 gang. If you're still watching this video, then this is a cue and you can go ahead and drop let's drop a flying money emoji in the comments down below so that you can be eligible to win tickets in my well, yes, tickets, but prizes in my giveaway, because you will have earned tickets if you are the first to comment that emoji after you see this cue in my video. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will be back. We're going to be taking these off, which I'm not going to do that on camera. I am, however, finally going to post that removal video, and I'm going to post the video of me creating these nails, and then you guys are going to see me using 𝑠avvyland and Rosalind acrylic and gel polish, and we're going to create a super beautiful set. I don't know. What should I create? I really want to create something super, 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 super cute. But I don't really have any ideas. Well, you guys know I am obsessed with this kit. These are the colors that are like the best. So, yeah, we got a lot, and I put all my favorites right up here, and I think I had a couple of favorites on the bottom row. So anyways, you guys, I am so excited. How do you guys feel? Do you think I should just like try to do a freestyle set again, even though my last one pretty much sucked, the Christmas one? I should create like I gotta think of something. I think like some sort of pink and green Christmas theme would be cute. But the only green that I see, well, I see like all these, like this is, and this is gold. I am so obsessed. Where did I even swatch all of these colors, or did I not? Because literally, OMG, I didn't. I'm about to swatch these. Hold on. We are about to swatch these. I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here for the Advent video. And then I'm going to go ahead and start a new video, you guys. And we're going to swatch these out together. So I love you guys so much. Holla. Peace.